How to auto remove the background in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip, and it's selected and highlighted on the video timeline. Scroll to the right, you see the option which should say remove BG next to basic and relight. I have a couple different options in auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. In this case, you want to click the first option which says auto removal. Basically, as you can see, you have the custom removal. Even go right here on the screen and you remove a part that you would like, and it's basically color red. But in this case, we're going to click the undo. In this case, we want to click the check mark, click auto removal. Basically, the background has been removed and Capcut Mobile will be applying this. This works better with a subject that's still. And once you're happy and satisfied, click the check mark. You can see our subject has been successfully removed from the background. And this is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.